How to change a tire in under 60 seconds. And go! First things first, gather your tools. Yep, that's usually where you'll find them. Remember, find a level surface. Non-level surfaces are a no-no. Use your tire iron to loosen the bolts. Counterclockwise. Keep it going. Almost there. Good job. Now it's time to place the jack. Make sure it's sturdy underneath the car. Now let's get some air. Don't forget to take off the bolts and remove the tire. And you guessed it, it's time for an upgrade. Remember to replace the bolts. Yep, you got it, clockwise this time. Now let's bring it back to earth. Find your tire iron and tighten the bolts. Be sure to use a crisscross pattern. And finally, give it one last check. And that's how you change a tire in under 60 seconds. To learn more, go to TrueCar.com/blog.